Hi, my name is Yuri with Volkswagen, and today we'll be going over Apple CarPlay and answering some of the questions people have and the features that come with it. So first, you'll need a USB cord provided by your smartphone manufacturer, and the reason behind that is because third-party cords lack the technology to successfully connect your smartphone to the Apple CarPlay feature. And what you'll do is take the USB end, plug it into the designated USB port. And the reason behind that is because you may have multiple USBs throughout the vehicle, and ours is generally located in the front dash under the radio. Now that your USB cord is connected to your car, you'll then take the smartphone end, plug it into your phone. You'll then accept on your screen here and on your phone like so. Now you have your phone successfully connected to the Apple CarPlay feature. So now that your phone is connected to the Apple CarPlay, you now have access to all your favorite apps such as text messaging, phone calls, audiobooks, Pandora, and my personal favorite, the Maps app. And you can command all of these via the voice command button located on the steering wheel right here. Siri, take me to the nearest Starbucks.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
Well, that concludes our video on how to connect your phone to Apple CarPlay. So if you have any questions, please come down to Volkswagen where we can help you out.